Okay, we're going to show you how to log into TinkerCAD. If you're here at Full Steam Ahead, it's easy to do. You can click on the Chrome button, first of all, to open up your internet browser. That's this one here. So double click on that and your browser should open. Now, sometimes you'll get lucky and TinkerCAD will be right in here. If not, you can come up to 3D printing, click on TinkerCAD right there, or finally you can just type in at the top, tinkercad.com. We'll bring you there. Okay, there we go. So when you get to this screen, if you don't get this screen, that means you're already logged in, and you'll need to log out by clicking a little robot in the top right corner. But if you are at this screen, click on Sign In, not Sign Up. You don't need to create a new account. And the password's going to be, or the username is going to be Full Steam Ahead, and then whatever number computer you're sitting at. So if you're at the first computer, or if you look at the back of your computer, it says Full Steam Ahead 1, you type in Full Steam Ahead 1. If you're at 2, 2. All the way up to Full Steam Ahead 12 would be the last computer that we have. Now, it's important to remember which account you're logged into because that's where your work is going to be saved. If you need help with that, just have a teacher write it down for you or write it down in your notebook. Now, the password is the same for everybody. It is capital M-A-K-E 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's make 1, 2, 3, 4 with a capital M. Click sign in. Okay, and then when you get signed in, it'll ask if you want to keep you signed in. It actually doesn't matter. It doesn't usually remember it anyway, so you can click yes, remember me, or no, don't. So Full Steam Ahead 12, that means I'm on computer number 12. Here's everybody who's using Full Steam Ahead 12. Conrad uses it sometimes, and a bunch of people who haven't saved their projects or rename them at least. So to create a new design, just click on Create a New Design, and it'll bring you to the work plane so you can start creating your model. That's it. All done. Happy tinkering.